This is Academic Test 1-1. Hopefully you're not watching this video because you got 100. Number 1, which ordered pair is located in quadrant 1? Again, coordinate. When you write coordinate, use this. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So quadrant 1 is located right here. Let's graph 0. You go, remember, how do you graph a coordinate point? X, Y. The first number goes to X, the second number goes to Y. So here's the X. You go to X2 right here. Y is 4. Y4 is right here. So right here. Answer is A. It is in coordinate 1. Number 2, on the 5 plays that Kenny carried the ball during the football game, he made the following yardage. Which of the following shows these yardage from least to greatest? I don't know about you, but I'm going to draw a number line. Because what I remember is it goes from least to greatest. Let me plot these. So I see a 2, a 5, a -3, a -1, and a 4. So -3, -1, 2, 4, 5. From least to greatest. D is the answer. Again, a number line goes from least to greatest. Number 3, which number line shows -1, -3, and -5 in the correct order? All right, so you know what? I'm going to make my own number line first, and then I'm going to look up there, see which one did it correctly. So -5, -3, -1. So it should have 3 dots. So it should be -5. Wrong. A is the answer. -5, -3, -1, 0. That's how you do it. Number 4. Find the value or values of x for which the equation x plus 4 equals 4, absolute value of x plus 4 equals 14. So let's think, 10. If I replace the x with 10, what's the absolute value of 10? How far is 10 from 0 on a number line? 10 units plus 4 is 14. This works. Check. Let's do negative. How far is -10 from 0 on a number line? 10 units plus 4 is 14. Check. If I put a 0 here, how far is 0 from 0? 0 plus 4 is 4. No check. So 1 and 2 are correct, so C is the answer. Number 5. Which equation is represented by this model? It starts at 0, it goes back 4 spaces, -4. It goes forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which one shows it go back 4, go forward 7? C is the only one that makes sense here. Number 6, Johnny is an avid golfer. In a recent tournament, his score for the first day was -3, and his score for the second day was +1. Which model could be used to find his total score for the 2-day tournament? So let's see. The gray is negative. So I need 3 gray boxes. So it's either B or D. The second day was +1. So I need 1 white box. D is the answer. 3 negatives, 1 positive. Number 7, on the first play of a football game, the orange team gained 12 yards. Gained. That's positive. On the next play, the orange team lost 7 yards. -7. Shame for them. Which equation can be used to represent the net yardage for the orange team on these 2 plays? So I'm looking for +12 and -7. Well, not A, not B. Positive. C is the answer. Because they gained 12 yards. They did not lose 12 yards, so you know it can't be D, so it must be C. Number 8. The temperature at 10 a.m. was -4 degrees. I'm going to draw a thermometer. It helps me out. -4 degrees. By noon, the temperature had risen 8 degrees, so it went up 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It stops right here, 4 degrees. And then at 8 p.m., it dropped 10 degrees. So right here, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're at negative 6 degrees C. Another way we could have done is this. It starts at negative 4 degrees. Plus, it rose up 8 degrees. And then at 8 p.m., the temperature had dropped by 10 degrees. So I have negative 4. It rose up by 8. So it has more positive than negative. I can draw counters to make sure. So 4 positive. So these are 0 pair. It goes away at 4 positive. Then I have 10 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 0 pair. Go away. I have 6 negatives. Number 9. What is the absolute value of 2 plus negative 11? Let's see. I have 2 positives. I have 11 negatives. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are 0 pair. It goes away. I have 9 negatives. What is the absolute value of negative 9? How far is negative 9 from 0? 9 units away. C is the answer. Remember, distance is always positive. Number 10. Let W be the whole numbers. Let I be the integers. Which diagram best shows how W and I are related? On the second day of school, you got a Venn diagram that looks exactly like this almost. Can whole numbers become integers? What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Things you can count. Count with your fingers. Integers could be positive whole numbers or negative whole numbers. So, can integers become whole numbers? So, I put negative 1 here. Can I put also a negative 1 inside a whole? No, you cannot. A and B does not make sense. Let's look at C. If I have a whole number like 5, 6, 7, or 8, or 0, or 1, can it also go in the circle of the integer? 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1? It can. That's why C is the answer. And D doesn't make sense because you have whole numbers like 5, 6, 7, 8. And as part of this, 5, 6, 7, 8, all whole numbers are integers. Not just part of the whole numbers, all of them. Number 12, Mr. Lawrence had $550 in his bank account. Whoa, rich. Oh, Miss Lawrence. She withdrew. What is the word withdraw? We talked about this on the second day of school. Withdraw means take away. It's a negative transaction. She withdrew $120. She deposited. Deposit a good thing? Yes, you put money in. She deposited $200. How much money does she have in her account? $630. So I bubble in plus 630. 630. I bubble in 6, 3, and 0. If you want to say $630, go ahead. Number 13. An airplane is flying at an altitude of 5,000 feet. Here's the airplane. 5,000 feet. Here's the land. It starts descending. Descend. What do you think the word descend? Descend means go down, decreasing at a rate of 100 feet per minute. Descend means keeps going down 100 every minute. What will be the altitude of the plane after 5 minutes? So the first minute, it goes down 100. So that's 4,900. Then it goes down another 100, 4,800. Well, I'm going to cross out B, C. I know I can cross out D. I think the answer is A. Then another minute, it goes down 100, 47. That's 3 minutes. Then in 4 minutes, it goes down another 100. Then 5 minutes, it goes down another 100. So it goes down 5. The plane descends 500 feet. It starts at 5,000, so you take away 500 from this, 4,500. A is the only one that makes sense. 14. What's negative absolute value of negative 6 plus 4? So negative 6, I have 6 negatives. I put it together with 4 positives. 0 pair out, I have 2 negatives. So what's that? Again, what's absolute value? How far is the number from 0 on a number line? If you want to, I'll draw a number line if it's going to make you happy. And here it is. Here's negative 2. How far is negative 2 from 0? 2 units away. So, again, distance is always positive. So absolute value of negative 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So it's positive 4. Is 4 a whole number or decimal? It's a whole number. It goes right here. If you put it here, you will be marked wrong. This is the decimal area. Number 15. A circle with a radius of 3 and a center Q, 1, 2 unit is drawn on a coordinate plane below. Which of these points could be located outside the circle? Again, how do you grab point? X, Y. The first number is X, so let's go. X is right here, negative 2. The second number is Y, is 4, and right here. So it's right here. Oh, the answer is A. That is outside the circle. Of course, go through each one, but the answer is A. And a bonus. What was Johnny's total score in question number 6? Oh, goodness. So I'll go all the way back to 6. So if the answer was D, if he has 3 negatives and a positive, this becomes 0 pair. The answer would have been, he has 2 more negatives than positives. So the answer would have been negative 2. I'll even take 2 shaded boxes. Academic test 1-1.